I have two SIM cards in my iPhone 17 Pro Max. But when I want to make a call, the call always goes to the primary SIM. In this video, I will show you how to make calls from the secondary SIM iPhone 17 Pro Max in 3 ways. First method, open the phone app. Above the call button you will see your default SIM name like primary or secondary. Tap on it and select the secondary SIM. Now dial the number you want to call. Now the call will go from your second SIM. Second method. Open the phone app. Tap Contacts. Select the person you want to call. Tap here and select secondary SIM. Tap Done. Now press the call button, and the call will go from your second SIM. Third method. Open Settings. Tap Mobile Service. Tap on the default voice lane. Select secondary from here. From now on, all calls will be made from the secondary SIM by default. This is how to make calls from the secondary SIM iPhone 17 Pro Max.